You don't hear typewriters or dot matrix printers very often anymore, but we found out they're still being rattling away at state office buildings.
And tonight, an effort to pull the state in the 21st century. Target 12 investigator Walt Buteau has an exclusive look at the issue.
The first pitch for money from the General Assembly to modernize was tonight, and we saw firsthand how some state systems are frozen in time. When Kelly Durkin Murray started working for the state, electric typewriters were the future. 40 years later, she's training millennials who land state jobs how to use them.
They were quite shocked, and their question was, what is that?
State workers still write their hours on time cards that are stored in this and many more stacks of boxes. Every sort of personnel issue you can imagine, from name changes to new addresses, also start on paper. The information is typed out, then printed on this dinosaur dot matrix printer. The 5-ply paper is separated and often hand-delivered to other state offices.
Then Human Resources takes those forms, and then they enter all that information in the system after they make sure the calculations on those forms are correct.
Adding to the inefficiencies, long-term personnel document storage is on micro-fiche.
It's very old.
The current budget proposal includes a request for an Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, program to modernize state HR and finance functions along with other tasks. The projected cost is $1.5 million next fiscal year and $33 million in state money over 10 years, along with $60 million more in federal funds. The request is expected to spark comparisons to the United Health Infrastructure Project, known as UHIP, a $600 million system plagued by problems since it was rolled out in 2016. State Chief Digital and Information Officer B.J. Kumar tells Target 12, unlike UHIP, which he says was custom-built for Rhode Island, the ERP program has a track record.
It has been tested in the private sector, in public sector, in thousands of companies across the world, including public sector.
Rhode Island is one of 12 states with antiquated data systems. 7 of them, including Florida and Illinois, are currently trying to modernize. With the Target 12 investigators, Walt Buteau, Eyewitness News.